And remember, if I can cook it, so can you. So go nowhere. Let's create mollejas de pollo or chicken gizzard. And I'm going to do a Puerto Rican mollejas de pollo guisada, which is chicken gizzard stew. And I have about 1.5 pounds, maybe a little bit more. And the first thing I'm going to do before I introduce the other stuff is I'm going to show you how to deal with this. You have to clean some of this stuff. You know, not clean, but if you have some hard stuff along the edges, like this stuff here, see this? You can cut it off, cut it out. This one is fine. You know, like here, I can cut it here and get this hard stuff out. And some of them have something like this. Just cut the thing out too. This green, nasty looking stuff. Just cut it out. Most of them are, that's the only one that had this stuff, by the way. So they're pretty clean, but I'm going to show you. And then you're going to transfer them from here to here, where you're going to have a little bit of vinegar, some water, and optionally some lime that you're going to squeeze so they can clean up a little bit, okay? But let me show you. Some water. Some vinegar. Squeeze a lime. There, it's kind of hard. I'm just going to cut it out. This one, this green stuff, just cut it out. This one has a little bit of hard stuff here. Going to cut it out too. If it's too hard, rest to the water. This one is fine. Do the thing with the rest. So it's been about 10-12 minutes where I have the gizzards inside the water vinegar. So they're going to be boiled in this water, 8 cups of water. But I'm not going to put the liquid from here. I'm just going to get this stuff out, these solids. Transfer there. I will show you how. I got a large potato, russet, peel, cut, big chunks. I have about a couple tablespoons of an onion. I got a carrot, peel, cut. About 2-3 bay leaf. I have some, not a lot, but some red and yellow bell pepper. You can use orange too. I really don't need it, but it's just to add the more fresh flavor. Some olive, a handful, maybe about 8 or 9. A tomato, which I grated because I don't like to cook with tomato can. I like to go 100% natural. This is sofrito. This one I prepared about 18, maybe 2 years ago, actually. Look how beautiful. Link in my description. One of the best sofrito you will ever prepare. Look at this baby. If you don't have sofrito handy, go to my description. I'm going to show you how to do a sofrito without preserving it like that. Real time, just using the right vegetables and ingredients. That link is going to be there. Because this is preserved, you can do also more natural on the spot. This is going to be my sazon mix. I have for this one, tablespoon of salt, tablespoon of smoked paprika. You can use regular paprika, tablespoon of turmeric, tablespoon of black ground pepper, tablespoon of cumin, tablespoon of coriander, some dry oregano, and about 2 smash, I call them teeth of garlic. And this here is going to be my oil. This is a homemade annatto oil or aceite de achiote. I made this one. Takes about 90 seconds to prepare. Link in my description. Bring that nice looking color. So I had the water hot. Couple notches above medium. I had it like that for about 4 minutes. Then I added the mollejas or the chicken gizzards. And I had this, and I'm going to prepare this for about 40 minutes, maybe 35 minutes will work. Once again, couple notches above medium. You're going to take a look at the 20-minute mark because I might add the carrots and maybe the potatoes, depends how I feel, to soften them. So 40 minutes, 20-minute mark, take a look. I like to add salt now. I call it to taste. Mix things up. So the last 15 minutes are going to add the potatoes and the carrots. But this stuff looks already nice. So, preheating, good to go. First thing I'm going to do, I'm going to add my oil, which happens to be the annatto oil. Look at this color, how beautiful. And let me reduce the heat to medium. And that's going to give it a nice looking orange color. The issue I have with some Puerto Rican food is when we use sazon from the packet, have those artificial colors. It's like a dye, you know, the coloring. I don't like that. I like to go natural. Let me add the peppers, onions, and let's start creating the base because I already had the sofrito. Okay. Mix it up. Listen to the sound of the music. Oh my God, it smells so good. What I'm going to do now, is I'm going to add the tomato sauce. And I'm going to start adding the chicken gizzard, potatoes, and taking it from the other container to here. So now that I transfer it, what I'm going to do, I'm going to mix the sauces, everything, medium heat. I'm going to add the olive. I'm going to add the other ingredients. Let me grab a brush so I can mix things together. This is my sazon, homemade sazon. Bring some color to this baby, huh? And I'm going to mix all these babies. Mix it up. And you're going to need some broth or water. And I'm going to get it, guess what? I'm going to get it from the same place I heat up these babies. So this is pretty much like stock or broth. This is what I had the mollejas. And I'm going to use some of this and some water. But let me transfer from here to here. Ooh, look how beautiful. Look at that color, huh? Let me put a little bit more. I have 2 cups. Let me add another. So this is not going to cook for a long time because I already, um, you know, cooked them up. I'm just adding the flavor portion. So let's make it 4 cups, huh? 4 cups. So I think I'm going to let this cook for about 10 minutes, maybe 12. But first, I'm going to add some bay leaf. You want to give also this a taste to see if you're going to need some more salt. Oh my goodness, this is good. No need. And this is how it looks. It's ready. Look at this baby. Potatoes are ready. The carrots are ready. Las mollejitas, las mollejas, they're ready. The chicken gizzard. So turn your heat off. Take it away from the heat and let it rest for a little bit.